today we're going to see how electricity and magnets interact with each other. For that, we need the uninsulated copper wire, some kind of round objects, magnets that has to be strong neodymium magnets, some batteries and a compass. Right here we have a compass that has a little magnetic needle on it that moves, and one piece of wire. If we put the wire near the compass, it doesn't affect the needle at all. But if we put a current into a wire and then put it near the compass starts to move. Therefore, you can say that the electric current inside the wire induces some kind of a magnetic field that moves the magnet here. And how can we use this phenomenon? If we want to make this magnetic field stronger, we need some kind of a coil that has a stronger field inside of it. And now we're going to build this, and I'm going to show you how it works. You need the copper wire, and it's really important that it is not insulated. And some kind of a round object that is a bit larger than your battery, because the battery has to fit into the coil. And now if you want to coil it, just take the wire and turn it around the object. Okay. Now the coiling is done. And by the way, this kind of wires are called solenoids. Now, but why does it all happen? Try doing the same thing when you turn the magnet around and see what happens. Try coiling the wire the other way around. Try to change the batteries or the magnets just to see what happens, and write down all the things you figure out. Now you need a battery and two magnets. These magnets has to be really strong magnets, because otherwise it doesn't work. You have to put the magnets on the battery facing the same sides. And how do you know the same sides are facing? The same sides are repelling each other. You can see it like that. So you have to face this out and this out. Now we have to put the battery inside the coil, and it starts to move. But you have to make sure the battery touches the coil, because you need the current from the battery to go into the coil. So let's try. So if it does come back, then try the other way around, because it wanted to go the other way. It all works because the current from the battery induces a magnetic field inside the coil, and those magnets interact with the field in the coil, so it pushes and pulls this magnet around. Now, please go and try to experiment for yourself.